Welcome to Innovent Foods. Today I'm making restaurant-style pizza at home. Soft crust, juicy chicken, and cheesy toppings just like your favorite pizza shop. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, add 110 ml warm milk. Use warm milk for proper yeast activation. 1 teaspoon sugar. Add 1 teaspoon yeast. Mix well and keep aside for 5 minutes. Add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well and make a soft dough. Wrap some oil and keep aside for 40 minutes. Rest dough well for soft texture. Now prepare the chicken. Take 1 cup chicken breast, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Heat 1 tablespoon oil and cook the chicken for 5 to 7 minutes. Keep aside. Now take the dough and roll it. Place in a 9-inch oil grease mold with baking paper. Prick with a fork. Place chicken pieces around the edges. And fold the corners as shown. Spread pizza sauce. Add cooked chicken. Mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese gives the perfect stretch. Capsicum. Stuffed edges make it extra delicious. Tomato. Onion. Mozzarella cheese. Brush water at the edges. Sprinkle oregano and chili flakes. Do not overload toppings. Now place a pan with a wire stand and preheat the pan for 5 to 7 minutes in medium-low heat. Pan pizza can be made without an oven. Now cook for 20 to 25 minutes on medium-low heat. Spread a little sauce on top and serve hot. Homemade pizza is more hygienic. Chicken provides protein. Vegetables add vitamins and fiber. You can control oil and ingredients. Your delicious restaurant-style pizza is ready. Serve hot and enjoy the cheesy goodness. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow InnoVin Foods for more easy recipes.